Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to bidacrochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make this beautiful tulip flower crochet scrunchie. It's easy, beginner-friendly, and looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's get started. We'll start by making our foundation chain. Make the chain according to the size you want for your scrunchie. Try to keep your chain stitches loose and even because this will help the scrunchie look neat in the end. Don't worry if you're a beginner, just take your time and enjoy the process. Now that the foundation chain is ready, we'll start working single crochet stitches. Insert your hook into each chain and make one single crochet. Continue this all the way to the end of the chain. Try to keep your stitch tension consistent so the strip doesn't become too tight or too loose. If you accidentally skip a stitch, simply go back and fix it before moving on. Once you've completed the single crochet row, you'll notice that it forms a nice and sturdy base. Now we'll join both ends together carefully to create the scrunchie base. Make sure both sides are aligned properly before joining them. This small step helps the finished scrunchie look clean and professional. Now comes my favorite part, the tulip flower design. We'll begin making the flower petals one by one. Follow the same stitch pattern for every petal so they all look even. Don't rush this part because the petals are what make this scrunchie look beautiful. As you continue, you'll see the flower slowly taking shape. It's always exciting to watch the design come together. Keep repeating the same petal pattern all around the scrunchie. If your petals seem slightly different at first, don't worry. After completing the full round, they'll look much more balanced. Handmade items always have their own unique charm, and that's what makes crochet so special. After finishing all the pink petals, we'll switch to the green yarn. Now we'll crochet around the petals to create the leafy border. This green edging gives the flower a tulip-inspired look and makes the pink color stand out beautifully. Work carefully around each petal and try to keep the spacing even throughout the round. Next, we'll make the decorative hanging ties. Crochet the chain for the desired length, making sure both hanging strands are the same size. These little details make the scrunchie look much more elegant and stylish. At the end of each hanging tie, we'll crochet a small tulip bud. Repeat the same steps on the second tie so both sides match. These tiny buds complete the overall design and give the scrunchie a lovely finishing touch. Take a moment to check your stitches and trim any extra yarn. Weave in all loose ends neatly so your scrunchie looks clean and durable. Once everything is secure, gently shape the petals with your fingers. Just like that, your beautiful handmade tulip flower scrunchie is ready. I hope you enjoyed making this tulip flower scrunchie with me. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to bidacrochet, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new crochet tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.